Hello guys, today I'm unboxing this. I got it from the arcade from yesterday. Well, I'm gonna open it. How do I open this?
Yeah, I'm scared if I use the bathroom.
There's so many new characters. I'm never gonna sit on that toilet again. Dude,
I got another one of this. I got it on mistake. This product is not interesting by children under 3 years. Contains small parts pellets. Propose a chamber hazard. Product name is Shin Kang King Vegetables Series Figures. What the hell is this?
Put it down.
Why is he smiling like
Don't
that?
know what's this crap, but I am gonna. The rarest is this crap in the center. Wait, it's this one.
This is the guy's defense.
Too strong, apparently.
Imagine if I got it. Imagine if I got it. I think this is a collectible thing. Yeah, it's a collectible, I think.
Hey?
Oh, they're still taking the card.
I don't know what is this crap though. Imagine though.
Bro, he's getting more and more battle cards. He ain't looking
Eh?
so good.
Ain't no damn
What's
way.
that?
He just killed it.
Oh, I got the 1 in 12. That's still
I think he
lucky.
just does it for fun.
Oh, you ignore the lasers now.
Was he gonna fight?
Yeah, 'cause it's a traitor, remember?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, never mind. I did not get it. Oh, I got the 1 in 9 chance.
Hit that subscribe button and let us know.
Man, shut the hell up, socks. I'm trying to unbox something. What is this shit? Do not eat. I'm just kidding. What is this crap? I don't know what is this crap. I don't know. I don't give a hell. What is this? Ultraman! Oh my god, he's dead. I ripped his head. Wow.
我同我老公啊好為食嘅，又中意飲酒，有次檢查話我肝有
How am I supposed to build this?
健肝寶，有中醫管肝臟名字，幫個肝解毒。
Wait, I know.
我咧都 keep 住食
Face
健肝寶，
speed
咁
run
我哋可
time.
以繼續食好嘢啦。
呢個係你嗌嘅 burger， Foodpanda 嗌同一個慳高達120蚊。
This is the new machine, a new mode where you fight against players to win brain rots. And I'm going to be grinding this mode for the next 24 hours with the goal of getting overpowered secret brain rots. Our boys are doing machine update just dropped like 20 minutes ago, and we about to be grinding this. On one of my PvP videos recently, I managed to actually grind up a few decent brain rots, and we're going to be putting these up for risk today. Starting off with our low rarity secrets like this Lowe's Quesadilla, but throughout the video, we'll be putting up for risk better and better brain rots. Starting off the app, we've got our first duel right here. This is how it looks. You teleport to this private server right here, and you put up a brain rot. He's putting up a Los Chico Terrace. Okay, I'm going to put up against that by Los Quesadillas. It's 31.5 million per second, so if we win this, we actually get a nice little upgrade. Alright boys, I'm a little bit nervous, I can't lie, I've never done this, I don't even know how this is gonna work. We're about to find out. 3, 2, 1. Since first and 3 wins, alright guys, let's get this. We put down this right here, make sure he doesn't go on my base, and also put this right here, boom, let's do this, start strong.
Wait,
Boom.
what?
Ooh, hold on, got a bear, you got the brain rot. Come on. Yep. Oh, he hit me. So you can use any item in your arsenal. Grab this. Grab the Los Chicleteras. Come on, see if I get this. And there, I got first round. Okay, we need to win 2 more in order for me to see the deal on this. Ooh,
Did I lose?
No, I
What?
don't like that. Let me play some
Oh, I
turret
need to
here.
build it.
Yeah. We about to play defense
Darn.
with this one, bro. We about to play defense with this.
Where's he at?
How am I supposed to build it?
He did show himself. Okay. Let's get that.
Wow.
Like that. I got my turret there. So
This
I should
design
pull it
is
back a
very
little bit.
human.
Ooh, it's hitting him.
Indeed.
Come. Oh, he hit the heat-seeking missiles. We about to play with a lot of strategy here. Let me put down this beehive. Let me put down this. Got him there.
I'm watching some YouTube while you're building
This
this.
is actually so enough.
So-
We got so many different things to worry about, bro.
Sorry for the
Boom.
disturbance.
Still got his turrets. Oh my god, bro. All those things are still
How am I
there.
supposed
I'm
to-
still stunned.
I have no strength.
What? No. Nope. Get in there. Grab this. Boom. This be second round for me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo-wee. Second round. Okay, we win one more and we win this whole thing. We gotta play it strategically. What do I got? What do I got to work with? We have literally every item. Hold on. Place one there. Boom. What else should we place?
I think I spent the whole time yapping.
Place this.
Yeah, I did.
There. All right, bet. Put that there. This is a game of strategy, boys. This is how we're gonna win this. We're gonna win this by strategy. Charge this fully.
I'm gonna build this real quick, so
perfect.
just give me a second.
I'm gonna use this, stun him there, got him. I'm gonna use my massive potion, just grab this. Okay, managed to actually hit me through that.
How am I supposed to roll
Just
it?
stunned me again with the gummy bear, bro. Oh,
You stupid.
Alright, let me get my attack doge out then. You are not getting that brain route, bucko. If you're so focused on my base, then I'll worry about this one. Let's get it. I ain't worried about you, bro. I ain't worried about you. Watch. Because I just won this whole round. GG, bro. GG. Actually lasted so long, bro. Let me type the chat. GG's, man. 3-0. I 3-0'd him. Now that I want to do it, we can go ahead and click return game. It's going to return us to a public server. So I gotta be careful. But if we look at our base, you guys will see we've now won the gold Los Chicleteras. Yes, sir. And that there was
I need
just
to
one
do
of
it
the
because I
menus
have
that
no
we're going to be trying
strength.
to win through this video. We can't quit here. There's so much more secrets we have to get. But before we get to the next duel, the cool thing about this machine is that you can face people either in your server or any friend that's in the game at all, and also a global player.
Damn it.
You just need to have their Roblox username. Pretty versatile, to be honest. Well, looks like we got our next duel lined up.
I
This
need to
guy's
use my
already
teeth
200
because I have
million
no
Wolf
strength.
25 rainbow. So of course I accept the challenge, but the thing is, I really don't know what I'm gonna put up against that. Maybe a Nuclearo Dinosaurio? That seems pretty fair to me. Alright, here he is here. He just accepted the invite. Let's get this going. There it goes right there, level 25. I'm gonna put up the Nuclearo. I hope he accepts that. Hopefully he does. There we go. Alright, boys. Let's get this going. Alright, so we have to think about this like a strategy. I'm gonna put a trip mine right there on my brain rods. Let's get this. All right,
I'm so
boom.
confused. How am I supposed to build
Launched
this?
him there, launched him
Oh
there.
my
Let me put this
god.
right here.
I'm fumbling.
Perfect. Let me put a
Trying to
right there,
speed
just
run
measure.
crap.
All right. Yes, sir.
And I'm
Yes, sir. Hold on,
fumbling.
hold on. Let me get back.
Oh my god, it's already
Get
6
closer,
minutes.
Get closer. Yeah. There we go. Hold on.
I'm trying to speed run.
Oh. I don't like that. I'm stuck. Hold on.
I'm supposed to build this here.
That's not sure here. No, that's not good. He's got me with this.
Yeah.
We got it though. Boom, easy. Grab the lowest 25. All we gotta do is just win 3 rounds of this. Come on. Is that all you got?
Sorry.
Let's weave.
I do not want to
Let's
defend
weave.
any
Round one
ultimate
wins.
friend.
Let's go. He was
Fans.
talking crazy at the ends too, saying he's gonna pack me up. All right, another trip mine down here. Boom, do this.
I feel bad for
This right
those
here.
ultimate
This right here.
friend
Setting up all the traps with
fans
that.
for watching me
Plus 25
unboxing
in
this.
hand. I got the
How
craziest
am I
defense
supposed-
right here.
oh
You can't
my
even do
God.
nothing about it, bro. You can't even do nothing about it. Oh, you
Yeah.
can't even do nothing about it, bro. This is crazy. I know he's spewing right now. We gotta win one more round, and this low 25 is ours, boys. I'm feeling confident, boys. Hold on. Boom. Let me get him there. Put that right there. This low 25 is mine. Pal. You gotta get through this turret. Oh, he actually got that. Wow. Okay, I thought I had that. All right, got him there. Boom.
Okay, I got it.
All right, just smack me closer to
Yep.
the brain route. Perfect.
Look at
Yes,
that.
sir. Get hit by that.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. And just like that, we got ourselves an easy dub.
Oh my
GG's,
God.
bro. GG's. The low 25 is now mine. I told him GG in chat. He said, screenshot, please. All right, I got you, bro. Can't deny my face.
Oh my god.
Second duel in the video, though, we've already won a pretty crazy burn route. 200 million per second. Rainbow Fighter
Oh my
Beyond.
God.
Close
What
to
the
5.
hell?
I can't complain about that at all, boys.
Oh
In the
my
private
God,
server
what
to
the
get
hell?
your
Oh
screenshot.
my
Declare some
God,
space.
no
I believe
way,
these, mid burn routes like this
yeah.
Chinino, Candy Tototoso Or, as well as the Santa hotspot. We really don't need these. These are kind of just mid. Let's see, what else
Oh
should I
my
sell?
God.
I'm not gonna
Oh
sell
my
this
God.
one. I will sell this.
I did it
22.67,
wrong.
as well as this Diamond Low 25 because we already got a better one. All right, he's right here. Go ahead and get your
Oh my
screenshot,
God,
bro.
it's
You
9
fought
minutes.
well, so
I don't wanna
let's do it lined up.
make
Instead of
this
putting up a
long.
So in case of 175 million per second. Okay, what should I put up against that? You know what? Why not? I'll put up this La Spooky Grande 147 million per second. Almost an
No,
easy
I'm gonna
deal
stop
right here,
this.
but that also means there's a lot on the line, boys.
I'm
We
not-
gotta lock in.
I
All right,
will
next round,
see
starting
it.